we're talking about. Right on top. Okay, we're going to start out with 4 boneless chicken breasts, and I pounded these down to about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thickness. And we're going to brush each chicken breast with some Caesar salad dressing. It's going to take about 1/2 cup to coat these 4 boneless breasts. Then we're going to throw these on the grill, and we're going to get a good sear on them. We're going to cook these to 165 degrees. Okay, we're going to get these on the grill. Our grill's preheated to just about 500 degrees, and that's where we're going to sear them at. Then reduce your grill to about 375. Oh, look at those grill marks. That's what we're talking about. We're going to cook these for about 6 minutes per side to about 165 degrees internal temperature. We're done. To top each chicken breast with some mozzarella cheese. Let that cheese get ooey and gooey melted. While our cheese is melting, let's make our salad to top the chicken with. We're going to use 4 cups of shredded lettuce. You can use romaine or iceberg. And we're going to shred a 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. And then we're going to squeeze about 1/2 a lemon, which is about 2 tablespoons. And about 1/4 cup of Caesar salad dressing. We're going to toss this all together. Oh, look at that cheesy chicken. Now take your salad and pile it right on top. Finish with some crunchy croutons and some shaved Parmesan. Yum!